with the generally three different kind of lists you would write for your website. The first one ordered list, the second one unordered list, and the third one description list. Ordered list as the name takes out, e dey in order. Unordered list wetin e be list wey be say e not necessarily dey ordered. That is, the order wey you take write out no really matter. For instance, if you dey write something we get 1, 2, 3, ordered list be that. But if you dey write something where you no necessarily get 1, 2, 3, if you just write am with bullet points, unordered list be that. Now, you see what I do for you now. To write list, especially ordered list, what I do for you. The first thing what you go do, let's say, you go open this OL tag and you go close up. OL needs ordered list. After you get this OL open and closing tab, inside, you go open another list. But this one, you could just use normal LI as list. So the first way you do, you specify, say, all these lists where I want to write inside this tag, ordered list. Then you go proceed to write the actual list where you want to write. The actual list where you want to write, we write out as NI. Now, I will write another one. We go show us UL. Of course, UL unordered lists. For unordered list, we go modify this our second section. This is the same thing we do with the ordered list. But the only difference, I say, on our NI, that's on our list element, we place them inside UL. Whereas for our ordered list, we place inside OL.